Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable Google Cast screen mirroring feature on your any Samsung Galaxy devices. In this video we will learn this guys. So in your Samsung phones there is no Google screen mirroring feature, so you need to enable it. So for this guys, open your quick access settings like this. From here you need to open the smart view option on your phone. Just tap and hold on your smart view option. Now in the top right side corner you can get three dots. Just tap on it. From here open the settings. In the settings tap on about smart view like this. It will show you this type of interface. Now you need to tap on smart view 10 times. Continuously tap on smart view like this. Okay, it will open the smart view developer option. As you can see guys, from here you need to enable the advanced option. So when you enabling the advanced option, it will ask you to enter the password. The password is this guys. Press hash from your keyboard like this and press 00 and small RTSP and then 00 like this. Tap on OK. It will show you more options. From here you can get the option Google Cast. Just you need to enable it from here. Okay, after enabling you can get the Google mirroring cast on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, so that's it for today guys. This is a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.